Welcome students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So now we have came up and for the series of Madras School of Economics 2025 expected questions, we are on the game theory questions. So let's see what's in our box. So determine the Nash equilibrium in pure strategy from the following. So here we are having two players, player A and player B, and we are being given the expected payoffs. So now let us see that we can determine it or not. So here let's start with player B. If player B plays, so if B plays A, if B plays U strategy, then A is comparing. So A will compare X1 and Y3. So then Y is better. This one is better. Similarly, if B plays for player B, so now B plays V. So if he plays V, then A will compare being X5 or -6. Then which one will be better? So X is better because X is 5 and Y is -5. It's a negative value. Now for player B, this was for player A, the best response. So now for player B, if player A suppose plays X and B compares it. So here 2 or 0. Which one will take? Obviously 2. So then U is better. Similarly, if player A plays Y, then either 4 or 8. Obviously 8, V is better. So here we don't get any the mutual best if I take. So there are four instances which we have got. Okay. So here at XU, A gets 1, but it's not A's best, and B gets 2. That is not B's best. Again, if I take for XV, for XU I have told, XV, A gets 5. That is A's best, but B gets 0. That is not B's best. So not a Nash equilibrium. Again, if I take for Y and U, so X gets, A gets 3, A is best when B plays U, and B gets 4. That is not B's best. Similarly, for Y and V, A gets 6, but B gets 8. So that is also not a Nash equilibrium. So there is no, we can say that it does not exist for this question. For more such questions and all the previous year question and analysis, do tell us. And if you need anything in class also, if you need to take class also, do contact at our number which is given in the screen provided, and tell us if you need anything else. Best of luck students for your examination.